got the right puppies now.
Yep. All right. These are Tacy's puppies and Fiona's puppies. And there's only 2 Fiona puppies. She had a small litter. This is one. Oh, he's so cute. Both boys. Twin brothers. And then this one. Right here.
Oh, hey, baby, sweetheart.
Underneath there. Okay. So Terry's got a bowl, and we're doing some sound work with them. So if you want to go ahead and do your thing, Terry, this is hilarious.
Oh, careful.
Oh. That one wants to do it too. Ooh!
Check it out. It's just a bowl. You turn it on.
They were not scared of any of that at all.
Um,
What are you talking about?
What are you?
You better get over there, play with the bowl. It had a little bit of a reaction, but that puppy climbed right back on our lap.
Nope. I don't care.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
Good job. Now let's do it on this.
So we have a little bit of a reaction here, but nobody's running away.
Good recovery.
Yep. Good job.
Good job. Okay, investigate it.
Good job, everybody. All right, and that's the work with the metal bowl. Thanks, guys.